So in the last section, we set up all our routes and queries for the CRUD operations for our server side. In this section, we'll set up all our CRUD operations for the client side blog. And this will be made up of 5 React components. First, we need the add_post.js component, and this is just a form to submit the posts. Next, we have the edit_post.js, and this will be a form as well, but it will have the fields already populated with the data of the post that's being edited. And edit post is going to be only accessible from the profile component, which we'll see in a second. And next we have posts.js, and this is just a component that renders all the posts, and this is just a typical form that you would see around the web. And next we have the showPost.js component, and this is a component to render each individual post. So when a user clicks on a post, this is where they're redirected to. And this component will also contain all the all the comments associated with a certain post as well. And finally, we have our profile.js, and this is going to be the user dashboard, and it's going to render the user profile data, and also it will render all of the posts the user has made. And each post will have a edit and delete button where of course the user can here edit and delete the posts. And this is going to be our full stack blog, and these are the 5 components we'll be using to set it up.